Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tala Shahid and I am from batch 1708E. I have developed this e-commerce based Android application along with my team members Saqib Abdul Razak and Ammar Zahid. In order to start the application, you first have to register an account. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, there is a sign up label. Click on it. It will redirect you to a sign up page or activity. There are three fields. The first one is for full name, second one is for mobile number, and the third one is for password. Fourth is a checkbox. So now I'm registering an account. First of all, I will write a full name. Like this, a mobile number, and a password. It should be 6-digit long. If you want to view the password, click on the right side on the eye icon and you can view the password like this. Check the checkbox or else it will not register the account. Now I'm clicking on sign up button and it will register on the account and it will automatically log in. As you can see, there is an alert registration successful. My account has been registered and I am automatically logged in. If you want to view the information you have provided in the sign up form, you can click on navigation option. There is an option called my profile. Click on it. You can view the information you have provided in the sign up section. Now I'm clicking on home section. As you can see, there is a slider mainly for advertisement purpose. Second is for offer section. Third is a new product section. And fourth is a popular product section. And then a footer. If you want to place an order, just click on shop now button. Enter the quantity. Go to my cart option. You can see the quantity and the price. Click on the checkout button to place the order. Complete the information. Ask. I'm filling the information. Now an address, zip code or postal code, and Karachi, state and city Karachi, which is now save. Select mode of payment. If it is a card payment, click on it. If it is cash on delivery, click on it. If you want to cancel the order, click on the back button. If you want to place the order, click on place your order. So as you can see, order has been placed. If you want to view your orders, just go to the navigation bar as I'm doing here. There is a my order option. Click on it and you can view your order. As you can see, here are few more options like category. Here are categories which are available, offers which are available, and the products which are available. Popular products and my order option. My card option and a search option is also present in the application in order to search the products. Now, this application is for providing affordable products to general people. Now I am clicking on logout button and it will log out. Thank you.